Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to quickly fill in your brows. Yeah, because my brows be looking busted. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. And plus, like, I'm trying out this. I'm super late. I normally I'm so late, but I'm gonna be trying out the Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is what I'm gonna be trying out today. So hopefully you guys like this video, and if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Duh. So if you want to see how I quickly fill in my brows, just keep on watching. Oh, you guys like my nails? Got my nail color changed today. So pretty because I had to go back to work, so of course. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So instead of using my pencil today, I'm going to be using the Dipbrow pomades by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Cannot talk today. I don't know why. This is like a sample pack, and I was like, before I go spend my money on anything, I'd rather sample it first. So that's basically what we're about to do today. We're about to sample this because I know it's so old and people have already sampled it, but yeah, I just don't know where my life be sometimes because the majority of the time I be sleeping. So let's just get started by using this. So a couple things you're gonna need before you actually get started on doing your makeup. You're gonna need a spoolie and an angle brush if you do decide to do a gel liner. You're gonna need a pencil, an eyebrow pencil if you decide to use a pencil, some concealer, eyebrow gel, and yeah, that's basically about it. So let's just get started. So we're gonna go in with a spoolie, and we're gonna go in with an angle brush. So what you want to do before you actually start doing your eyebrows, you take your spoolie and you just, this is how I brush my eyebrows up. So you just want to brush your eyebrows up and over. So it's basically like you brushing up in a direction that you want them to go. Do it again. So then you're gonna take your brow gel and just gonna apply that just so the hairs can stay in place. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the chocolate color of this little sampler. I'm gonna take an angle brush. You're gonna go under like this. And then you're basically gonna follow your natural arch. And then you're just gonna start filling it in. And then you're gonna take your spoolie side and you're gonna like brush it up to give it the gradient effect. So now, since that is done, I'm going to take my concealer and just conceal. So the good thing about concealing is just to clean up the mistakes if you made any type of mistakes, and then plus it give it that fresh, I just went to the salon and got my eyebrows done type of look. And then I'm gonna take just a regular little brush. And just to kind of like get my concealer in there. Okay. So guys, you can kind of tell the difference between this brow and this brow. So I'm just going to quickly fill in the other brow. Alright guys, this completes the look. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. This is how I really just fill in my brows. Sometimes it's quicker with like a brow pencil because I'm just like, oh, okay. Because I'm so used to doing it, and then I'm just like outdoor and I'm gone. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video, and be sure to subscribe.